Have faith. Everything comes in its own time. Let go and trust. Keep your faith burning and be patient. Don't forget that my times are perfect. They don't defy what comes tomorrow. Don't give in to vain and ephemeral things that will only bring discomfort to your life. Let go of everything that prevents me from pouring out my blessing on you. Turn away from unbelievers and persist in prayer. Trust in my times and don't despair, because many blessings will come into your life. All adverse situations will soon be behind you. Just be patient. Don't be afraid or fall, because I am by your side. Don't think that I'm oblivious to your needs. I know all about you. I can see the burden you carry in your heart, the anguish that embarrasses you when your finances are bad, and when illness knocks on your door. But today and now, open your heart to my promises, to my advice. Stay away from my word, darken it. Have faith and be filled with my presence, because everything will come in its own time. I will bring peace and tranquility into your life. I will bless you for putting your trust in me. Never forget that I am a God of power and miracles. Not only have I poured out blessings and sanity on you, but also on your family, your children, and your parents. You must only trust in my timing. Be patient. Don't lose heart or seek easy paths, for they can lead you away from me and even destroy you. Don't stop praying. Don't stop studying my word, so that you will never be deceived by false doctrines. Don't rush after material things. Remember that what the world offers is temporary, but what I offer is eternal and a blessing for your life. Keep trusting in my promises, because everything will come in its own time. I never forgive or forget, but I am and will be favorable to your every need. Don't despair, because I am by your side. Do not be impatient because of the wicked, nor be ashamed of those who do iniquity. For like grass they will be cut down, and like green grass they will wither away. Trust in Jehovah and do good, and you will dwell in the land and retire from the truth. Delight yourself in Jehovah, and he will grant you the requests of your heart. Commit your way to Jehovah and trust in him, and he will do it. He will display his justice like the light and his right like the noonday. Keep silent against Jehovah and wait on him. Let go of anger and pour out disgust. Don't get excited about doing evil in any way, because the wicked will be destroyed. But those who hope in Jehovah, they will inherit the earth, for in a little while there will be no evil. It will observe its place and will not be there. But the wicked will inherit the earth and recreate themselves with an abundance of peace. Set the wicked against the righteous, and grind your teeth against him. The Lord will laugh at him, for he sees his day coming. The wicked draw their swords and prepare their bows to strike down the poor and the miserable, to kill those who are upright. Their sword will enter their heart, and their bow will be broken. The little of the righteous is better than the riches of many sinners, because the arms of the wicked will be broken. But it is Jehovah who sustains the righteous. Know Jehovah in the days of the perfect. They shall not be ashamed in evil times, and in the days of famine they shall be satisfied. But the wicked will perish, and the enemies of Jehovah, like the fat of rams, will be consumed. They will vanish like famine. The wicked take employment and do not pay, but the righteous have mercy and give. For his blessed ones will inherit the earth, and his cursed ones will be destroyed. Jehovah orders man's steps and approves his way. When man falls, he will not be crestfallen, for Jehovah upholds his hand. I was young and have grown old, and I have not seen the righteous forsaken, or his descendants blessing the bread. At all times he has mercy and gives, and his offspring is for blessing. Turn away from evil and do good, and you will live forever. For Jehovah loves justice and does not forsake his saints. They will be kept forever, but the offspring of the wicked will be destroyed. The righteous will inherit the earth and live on it forever. The mouth of the righteous speaks wisdom, and his tongue speaks justice. The law of his God is in his heart, so his feet shall not fail. Let the wicked accept the righteous and seek to kill him. Jehovah will not leave him in your hands or condemn him when you judge him. Wait on Jehovah and keep his way, and he will exalt you to inherit the earth. When the sinners are destroyed, you will see him. I saw the impious man highly exalted and spread out like a green laurel, but he passed by and was no longer here. I looked for him and did not find him. Consider the upright and look to the just, for there is a happy end for the man of peace. But the transgressors will all be destroyed. The wickedness of the wicked will be extinguished, but the salvation of the righteous is from Jehovah, and he is their fortress in the time of trouble. Jehovah will help them and deliver them. He will deliver them from the wicked and save them, because they have hoped in him. Amen. Calm down, child. You will overcome your problems. You will soon bear the fruit of your perseverance. I know that. You are going through times of difficulty and adversity, and that the problems you are facing are affecting you deeply, bringing pain and constant worry into your life. I understand that the problems you face have become a heavy burden, a shadow that clouds your days and fills you with uncertainty. But calm down, beloved daughter, because in the midst of this storm, I want you to know that you are not alone. I am by your side, supporting you with love and care. I understand that the burden you carry is overwhelming, and I understand that the tears you shed in the solitude of the night are an expression of your anguish and agony. But let me assure you, dear child, that these things will pass. The darkness that seems to envelop you will dissipate before the arrival of a new dawn, for my promise is firm and true. Remember that I promised to be by your side, even when you walk through the valley of shadow and death. I will never leave you. I will always be with you, guiding you and protecting you with my sublime and unconditional love. That's why you shouldn't, my daughter, because in every storm, in every moment of trial, I'm here, firm and by your side, like an unbreakable rock in the midst of turbulence. Your trust in me will not be in vain. That's why I want you to understand that my commitment to you is real and eternal. I'll never leave you, but I'll be by your side for every step you take, for every struggle and trial, for every tear that falls down your cheek. I will always be there, supporting you with my powerful hands. So, dear child, don't let anxiety consume you. Look forward with hope, because the strength you need to overcome every obstacle and challenge comes from me. I know that the struggle can be hard and overwhelming, and that the paths you take can be difficult to traverse. But you must remember that I am your Lord and Savior, the guardian of your soul. I am your Father, who always watches over your safety and well-being. Don't give up, my child. Persist in your efforts with valor and determination. Immerse yourself in my teachings and seek the guidance of my holy word. Don't underestimate the power of prayer, because in your communion with me, you will find the strength to overcome any attack the enemy may launch against you. Don't forget that within you lies courage and hope, and the courage to face the dangers and challenges of this life. That's why I encourage you to hold your head high and remain firm in your faith. Don't be intimidated by the enemy's assaults. Trust in me, because I never fail those who remain rooted in my love. Remember that the faith you place in me has the power to move mountains, to make the impossible possible. Through faith, my daughter, you will reap the fruits of your perseverance, fruits of blessing and abundance. So don't doubt my power, beloved. And daughter, trust in me and turn away from my promises, because like the wind embracing the fields, I come upon you, like the wind embracing your spirit, with love and hope. Just keep your eyes on me and walk with confidence, because the dawn of a new day always follows the darkest night. Keep going, dear child. Don't give up on all these problems. Don't bend your will to adversity. Don't forget that I am with you, and that every step you take is accompanied by the promise of my eternal love. Abandon those negative and destructive ideas that only tell you that you can't or won't succeed, because your story is not defined by the difficulties you face, but by how you overcome them with my grace and power. Remember that if you trust in me, your victory is assured, because I am here to help you and see you flourish in every area of your life. You only trust in me, and you will find the peace you desire, the strength you need, and the light that will guide you to a future full of hope and prosperity. My daughter, keep these words inside you. Place them as an admonition in your heart, and let them be the guide you need in this time of challenge and difficulty. Don't be discouraged if you feel that the days seem endless and the nights long, because I want you to remember that all these situations will pass, because the light of heaven will rise on the horizon, dispelling the darkness that surrounds your thoughts and emotions. Trust, child. Trust that this period of trial is only the announcement of a series of opportunities and blessings to come. This season of challenges and trials are just situations that will let you grow and make you stronger and stronger. I love you, child. Don't doubt my love for you for a second. Just try a little harder and be brave. Don't let the fear of crossing the river of trials stop you in your tracks. You have a destiny of blessing and abundance that I have prepared for you. Remember that you are stronger than you believe, and that my power is the shield that will protect you from the ravages of the enemy and the adversities you face. Stand up now, child, and face the obstacles with courage. Go forward with determination, and never forget that my power and my grace will sustain you through the worst of times. Keep your faith burning in your heart, and never doubt that I keep my promises. For I am your Father, the Creator of the universe, who will lead you to your destiny of abundance and happiness. Believe it. I will lift you up like the eagles. Beloved, why do you doubt? I have shown you the greatness of my power many times. Don't doubt me. On countless occasions, I have told you that doubt keeps you away from me, and this prevents my blessings from reaching your life. Don't let your paths go astray. The enemy who wants to make you fail will try to confuse you. That's why I tell you not to doubt. Keep praying. Pursue my ways. Only then will you have victory. In my word there is a powerful verse for you. In Isaiah 40:31, those who hope in Jehovah will have new strength. They will lift up their wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They shall walk and not be weary. I renew everything in you. I give you new strength. I am your support and your help when you are tired. I lift you up when you feel defeated. All you have to do is look for me, and you will find me. For everyone who asks receives, he who seeks finds, and he who calls will. Open, I go with you everywhere. If you're in danger, just trust in me. Fear not, for I am with you. Don't faint, because I am your God, who is struggling with you. I will always help you. I will always sustain you with the rod of my justice. When doubts want to torment you, rebuke them in my name. Never stop seeking me in prayer. Always meditate on my word. Keep these words in your heart, dear child. Believe what I tell you, dear child. It's time to get up. Let go of excuses and everything that afflicts your heart and soul. You have been strong. I've seen everything you've endured, but it's time to move on. Don't listen to those who criticize you. Get out of the way of the bad guys. They want to make you fall, but they don't know that I'm lifting you up. They don't know that my spirit accompanies you. I have placed a legion of angels in your defense. They will protect you and take care of you from all evil. I've prepared a path for you, a path of miracles and blessings with your name. Don't leave my path. Don't take the easy way. The dangerous path is tempting, but the end is not good. If you follow my principles, everything will be easier for you. I know that the Christian path is not easy, but in the end, you will have your victory. You'll see those who criticized you for your decisions go crazy. They'll see that you were right all along. You just need to be patient, dear daughter. You need to think calmly, dear daughter. Everything will reveal itself at the right time. Your eyes will see everything I have in store for you. My glory will be manifested in your life. A shower of blessings will fall on you. Open your arms and receive my promises in your life. Open the door of your heart for me to dwell in you. My presence will accompany you in every moment of your life. Whether times are good or bad, I will be with you, giving you strength. You will soar like the eagles. Your enemies will not see you fall. You will soar with all your might towards your goals and dreams. I will be advising you and accompanying you on your journey. It's important that you always take a little time out of your life. Talk to me about how you're doing. Tell me your problems. Tell me about your needs. I'll supply whatever you need. I calmed the storm in the trial. I'll give you peace and calm in the storm. Don't let your heart be hurt in moments of darkness. You are not alone in your days of trial. I am with you. Feel my presence. Feel how I strengthen your spirit, how I lift you up and give you strength like the eagles. You won't get tired. You'll keep going with the front up, with a winning mentality. Your destiny is success. It's written in my word that you were born to win. You will be victorious in this race. You will rise from every storm. Believe in what I say, dear child. Trust in my promises, dear child. You will see that your blessings will come in my time. Just keep trusting. Keep praying with all your heart. Don't worry. The enemy is trying to bring you down. He wants to make you fall. He will use various things to distract you from your path. He will put stones in your path to make you fall. But you have to be wise, be prudent in your decisions. Don't think lightly. Take a deep breath and look at it calmly. Don't rush. What will come to you is worth the time you've been waiting for. With that, dear son, I encourage you to keep going. With these words, dear daughter, I encourage you to get up. Don't think that you are alone in this witness. You are not alone on your path, dear child. You will have triumph. You will have your victory. Did you like the prayer? Leave your like so this prayer can touch another heart. You can help with your like and by following our channel to love God.